Hey, welcome back to the Top 5 Tray. Today we're talking about the ROG Ally X, Asus's latest entry into the handheld gaming PC market, boasting significant upgrades over its predecessor. With enhanced performance, improved ergonomics, and a larger battery, it's positioned as a top contender for gamers on the go. But does it deliver on its promises? In this honest review, we'll delve into its real-world performance, strengths, and areas where it might fall short. Remember, all the products featured in this video will be linked down in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out if you're interested. At first glance, the ROG Ally X maintains the sleek aesthetic of its predecessor, but introduces a new black finish that gives it a more premium look. The device features rounded grips for enhanced comfort during extended gaming sessions and slightly elevated buttons for better tactile feedback. Despite housing a larger battery, it remains relatively lightweight, making it portable and user-friendly. The Ally X sports a 7-inch Full HD display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals and responsive gameplay. The screen supports variable refresh rate, VRR, which helps eliminate screen tearing and provides a more immersive gaming experience. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters or exploring open-world adventures, the display delivers crisp and vibrant visuals. Under the hood, the ROG Ally X is powered by the AMD Ryzen Z 1 Extreme processor, paired with 24GB of LPDDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD. This configuration ensures that the device can handle demanding AAA titles with ease. Games like Alan Wake 2 run smoothly, showcasing the device's capability to deliver console-quality gaming in a handheld form factor. Additionally, the inclusion of a USB 4 port enhances connectivity options, allowing for faster data transfer and external display support. One of the standout features of the Ally X is its 80mAh battery, which is double the capacity of the original model. This significant upgrade translates to longer gaming sessions without the constant need for recharging. In real-world usage, the device offers up to 3 hours of gameplay on graphically intensive titles, and even more on less demanding games. This improvement addresses one of the main criticisms of its predecessor and makes the Ally X more viable for extended play. Running on Windows 11, the Ally X provides access to a vast library of PC games across various platforms. However, the Windows interface isn't fully optimized for handheld devices, leading to occasional usability issues. Navigating the OS can be cumbersome, and some users have reported challenges with certain applications. Despite these quirks, the device's performance in-game remains unaffected, and Asus's Armory Crate software helps streamline the gaming experience by offering quick access to settings and game libraries. The ROG Ally X comes at a premium price point, reflecting its high-end specifications and features. While it offers substantial improvements over the original model, potential buyers should consider whether these enhancements justify the additional cost. For those seeking top-tier handheld gaming performance and are willing to invest, the Ally X presents a compelling option. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, you deserve the best and nothing less, so be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely going to be one of them. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you make an informed decision. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, peace out.